Welcome to this tutorial where we explore two methods to seamlessly integrate in-cell bar charts into your Excel spreadsheets. Our first method employs the REPT function, providing a formula-based approach for dynamic visualizations. Following that, we'll delve into the second method, utilizing the power of conditional formatting to enhance the visual representation of your data. Let's get started. Let's see the first method, where we harness the flexibility of the REPT function to create in-cell bar charts directly within Excel. Select on cell in a new column that next to the source data, such as cell C2, then type this formula in the formula box of cell C2. Equals REPT G B 2/50ths. Press Enter key in your keyboard. Then drag Autofill handler over other cells to apply this formula. Here, B2 represents the value you want to visualize, and 50 is a scaling factor that you can adjust based on your preference. Excel will generate a bar chart using the G character, and the length of the bar will correspond to the value in cell B2. Select that new column, go to Home tab, type Webdings in font style under Font Group, and press Enter key. Click Font Color icon, and select a font color from the drop-down list. You will see that the in-cell bar chart have been inserted into each cell in new column. Now, let's explore the second method, leveraging the visual magic of conditional formatting to bring your data to life within cells. Select the source data that you want to create in cell bar chart, such as range B2, B5. Go to Home tab, click Conditional Formatting command under Styles group, and select Data Bars, then select More Rules. The new Formatting Rule dialog will appear. Select Format all cells based on their values in the Select a Rule Type list. And select Data Bar as Format Style. Check Show Bar Only checkbox. Set bar color as you need in the bar appearance section. Click OK button. This method offers a quick and intuitive way to visualize your information directly within the spreadsheet. Thanks for watching. If you found these methods for creating in-cell bar charts using REPT and conditional formatting insightful, don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comment section below.